Welcome. In this video, we see how to install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11, step by step. We install both MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench, so you can start creating databases easily. Open any web browser and type MySQL installer. Now click on the first link as appears. It will open like this. In that, we have to select the version 8.0.43 and select the operating system Microsoft Windows and select the 2.1 MB file. So click on download. After this, click on no thanks, just start my download. Click this. We see file will be downloaded. Now click on this file. Enter S, again S. It will open the installer. We have to choose the setup. So now click on this. Click on custom. Click on next. Now click on this plus symbol, MySQL server plus symbol to expand the servers. Again click again. Now choose the latest version 8.0.43 and click the arrow symbol. Again minus. Now click on applications plus symbol and now see the workbench, MySQL workbench. Version is 8.0.43. Click on this and move to that side. Now see server and workbench are successfully dragged to this side. Now click on next. Now click on execute. It will be downloading files. It takes some time. It will download the required files. We have to wait some time. Okay. Once download completed, now click on next. Again execute and again click on next. Again click on next. Now see, here we have to define the default port number 3306. It is the default. Now click on next. Click on next. We have to set the root password for the MySQL. Now click on next. Again next. Again next. Now again click on execute button. Click on finish to continue. Now click on next. Okay, again click on finish button. Server is installed or not. To this, open command prompt. Type cmd. Open command prompt. In this, we have to type MySQL -u space root -p. U for username, that is root, and P for password. We have to enter the latter. Now click on enter. If it shows, we have to do one thing. Open File Explorer. and this PC we have to choose the local disk, that is C. Now click on programming files. Now click on MySQL. Now click MySQL server. Now open the folder bin and see MySQL is installed. So we have to copy this path, Control C, and we have to edit the environment variables. Now open search bar and type env to edit the environment variables. Now click on. Now tap environment variables. Now see. Now click on new. We have to define the name and value. Name is MySQL and value is, we copied the path, so paste that. Now click on OK. Now see, path will be added successfully. And again we have to go to the system variables button, new button. Now in this also we have to define the MySQL path. OK. Now click on OK and again OK. Now we have check again MySQL. OK only. Now we have to open the command prompt in this path. CD. Okay, see program files MySQL, MySQL server. It is the same path as it is this only. In that we have to write command again. MySQL -u root p. Now click on enter. Now we have to enter the password as we define. Now click enter. Now see MySQL is open. Now we have to check this command show databases semicolon enter. Now see databases are shown and we have to check the workbench also. So go to workbench. Now click on the local instances MySQL 80. Click on this. Now enter the password. Click on OK. Okay, now check the schemas for databases. Okay, see it works. Now we have to create the database as one. For that we have. If you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit like button.